So far, nothing. No sign. Heaps of birds. A couple of cracked twigs in the bushes, but nothing came of it. Used the whistle. Nothing was interested. This is an area where I always seem to think I'm going to find pigs, but I never do. It's like you can see evidence of where they've been, but so I'm going to keep on heading west, northwest, see what we come along. I'll cut into the bush shortly. I can hear dogs in the background, but I'd say they're on the property somewhere. Anyway, 6 o'clock in the morning, so still fairly early. I've probably got an hour, maybe an hour or two of finding a dog or a fox, but yeah. Anyway, tune in.